Exceptional Toyama Station Breakfast Toyama Google Translate. Very nice staff and location. It's just 5-minute walk from the junior station and it's so clean. Highly recommended. Value for money. I booked in Golden Week that the most hotels so expensive, but I have lucky to get this hotel because 2 twin bed, big room when compared the other, and the price also good. I recommend it if you have planned to go Tateyama Alpine route. Good location and room is spacious. I really like the location of the hotel as it is only a few minutes walk from the train and all the shopping malls. Facilities are very new and room is very clean. Highly recommended. Very nice location. The room is spacious, the aircon is a bit weak. Incredible nice place. Wonderful. Travel in a group of 3 and the room they gave us was bigger than what we expected. The room is clean, staff is nice and helpful. This place is very close to the Junior Toyama station, 5 minutes walk. Lawson is just in front of the hotel entrance. Perfect stay. Service of staff was perfect. Friendly and helpful staff. Had to send my luggage to Nagano and staff were really helpful in organizing logistics. The hotel is extremely close to the station. The room is very large and clean. Hotel staff were amazing. Hotel staff was amazing. Even though we knew limited Japanese, the hotel staff did their best to help us no matter what. We needed a late-night taxi, went to see the glowing squid, and the staff were able to book not only the taxi there but to make sure the taxis came to pick us up as well. Room was okay, very clean and very nice. We stuffed 3 adults into a room, so the fact we were able to sleep well says everything. Relaxed and comfortable stay. The staff is exceptionally helpful and attentive. Everyone we talked to were all very kind. We got recommendation for ski resorts nearby. They helped us arranging the shipment for our luggage and just provided an overall relaxed and comfortable stay for us. We got free drinks on the day when we skipped the room cleaning. The mountainous view from the room is stunning. The bed and pillows are comfortable. The location just right by the station is convenient. From the hotel everything we needed was easily accessible. My only complaint is that there was a little mold in the corner of the bathroom. Excellent. Everything is good about this hotel, i.e. location, service, facilities, rooms and value for money.